Welcome to United by Trucks. Today, well, we're going to LST. It's Friday. You can see Alex back here washing the OBS. Rick's got SQR BDY up there. I got Teddy here. I'm about to wash the front clip because it's got some green residue on it. I'm not going to wash the whole truck. I'm going to wash the front clip and all the wheels. Lost 2 caps on the way down here. Not real happy about that. But I didn't have my clips tight on the wheels and lost 2 of them in some bad bumps and bridges. But thankfully I had 2 others under the seat, so gonna be putting those on. But yeah, just gonna get this get the trucks cleaned up, and then we're going to eat breakfast, and then we're going to LST. So y'all hang tight. This is UBT's coverage of Lone Star Throwdown 2022.
What's happening?
It's like 36 degrees here, Conroe, Texas. It's never this cold. Why is it this cold? I wasn't built for weather like this. I'm gonna start my own OBS page, and you know what it's gonna be called?
What?
You ready for the name of my OBS page?
Yeah. Breaking news right here.
OBS Friends.
With no eyes, so it's...
Robbie's over here literally washing the value off his truck.
Get behind, man.
For all you patina guys, you can get one extra cheap now.
Patrick's never been to Waffle House. We got the caps back on Teddy. Me too. Sorry. That's what we're looking like. Still couldn't get all the green stuff off the front, but it's just sat in a, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, maybe. But I don't want to take the rust off. I just want to take that right there off. Anyway, looks pretty awesome. It's me.
We gotta dry his truck still.
All right, I'm gonna cut mine off.
Or you're gonna wipe it down. You want to spray it off with the hose? No.
Hey, Alex. Brian Weimer. What's up, dude?
What's up, man?
Are we going to LST?
We are going to LST.
Are we on our way?
We are on our way in Sir Theodore.
Oh, Sir Thee! All right, here we go. We'll see if I can hit this F-150 in the side. It's gonna be an awesome time.
Yes.
We just finished up some Torchies. That was super good. Got the hint of Texas in my mouth.
now it's on. Listen to that banging. Look at it. Listen to Rick banging that hammer right now.
Where'd you get that Bucky's boggin? I know the answer, and you probably don't
This
call
is
it
the
a
second
boggin
one I
either.
bought. The last one I bought a month ago to show, didn't pack it.
What do you
Had to
call
buy
that
another
on your head?
one. This right here, I call it toboggan.
All right, guys, we made it to Lone Star Throwdown 2022. We got the trucks parked. We're still kind of setting up everything, but we met some new friends, Marco and Alina, and we got to sign their Lone Star skate deck. Will you hold that so I can, yeah. Look at this. I had no idea Lone Star was even doing this. It looks rad. So nice to meet you guys.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so
You guys
much.
having a good
We do
time?
Yes,
appreciate
sir.
it,
Oh, yeah.
Awesome.
This is our first year here.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah.
Man, that's a great show.
And you guys, you know, not being biased, but you guys made it better. Honestly.
Awesome. TTR, you feel like you made it better? I hope you were nice to these people.
I was
These
very
fine
nice to them.
people.
I wish I would have brought some warmer weather with me though.
Gosh, I know, it's cold. Michael Ray Howe, we're about to have a shot on you. Look what we found. Joe, turn around.
What's up, man? We're still here, buddy. Good friends and good times. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers, Mike.
Loads.
So Emma from Mob Still,
That's me.
Detroit Still Will,
Uh-huh.
checking out all the pictures she took. On what camera are you looking at this?
I'm doing first generation mirrorless from Canon, the EOS R.
Ooh.
And this is,
And then Rick's trying to get my attention to look at something. Hold on.
Look at this truck.
that is cool.
Oh yeah. Oh, I have seen that truck. That's one of my favorite
Is that a
trucks.
longie?
I filmed that before.
Those gold wheels set that thing off.
Yeah. I filmed that in last year's video, I think.
Yeah.
That thing is insane.
Thing's sick.
Great truck. Okay.
I'm telling
Say
you
hello.
photos. Just telling, hi.
We're on the iPhone because we're just sitting in the Suburban.
Yeah, because we're an Apple family. Right,
Going
guys?
to dinner.
Is that
100%.
I think it might be. All right, we're going to dinner. We'll catch up with you tomorrow.
Are they ready to go?
Yeah, let's do it.
Look, we don't even know where we're going though.
Good morning, West Bramlett.
Good morning.
Good morning, Rick.
Yo.
We're piled in the Duraburb, pouring down rain for day 2. Got the OBS with Alex and Weimer up front, and Patrick, TTR, and Julian coming behind us. So it's a mess out here, but we're gonna go anyway. I think we're gonna have breakfast first, but we'll see you at the show. How you doing, man? Hey, what's up, dude? My buddy's like, love your Apache, right? Yeah. You know, I just got a 59.
I was on that. That's my third one. So when I got
That's the one you did the video on.
Yeah. They got me off guard. Listen, that was supposed to be my buddy. He's like, hey man, I'm nervous. I don't want to do the video. They're here in town.
We made it, and it's raining. And, well, Teddy looks good and all wet. We got the rest of the trucks around. Rick's truck. Solomon's even got his F1, F250 over there. But we're hanging out. We're going to try to get out, film some trucks, but cameras and rain don't really go together. So hopefully it'll slack off here in a minute, and we'll go around and show you some trucks. But it's cold, wet, a lot of fun right here at LST 2022. Pink Taco Live, LST staple. Okay, so we're rolling. Me and Pat going to check out what's going on at LST. It's very wet and very cold, so I hadn't got a lot of footage. And so we got a GoPro strapped to the back of the truck, and Pat's filming over here on the side, which I appreciate, homie. So we're gonna show you all some trucks and ride around for a minute. Yeah, we got something happening out here. We're not real sure what's happening. Looks like they might be trying to tow somebody. Tow mater.
It's too cold.
Too cold?
Too cold, too wet.
Too cold, too wet for a Vegas boy.
Yeah, my feet are frozen.
Well, hey man, you look awesome over there.
Thank you.
That little fresh beard.
We all have all of the clothes on right now.
Yes,
all
we
of
do.
them.
If you ain't got clothes on here, you froze up.
Does she got a one?
Look at this crew. Does the truck floats? We know the owner does.
Oh, yeah.
Hashtag where's Ranger?
Hashtag where's Cincinnati. We miss you, Joe and Brian. Thanks for the shots.